What's up guys, this is Aadit from Tech is Easy. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Nearby Share on your Android phone. So what exactly is Nearby Share? It's basically a simple and extremely easy way to transfer files from one Android device to another. So if you have a photo, video or any document like a PDF, then using Nearby Share, you can share it instantly with another phone. And this is very similar to Apple's AirDrop. And all this requires is a Wi-Fi connection, then your Bluetooth and your location to be switched on. So now I'll show you how it works. There are two ways of accessing this. First is by opening the notification panel and then you'll find an option over here. So you can see that Nearby Share is written here, and if you don't see it, you can just click on Edit and then you'll find it below. So this is one way, and the second way is by going to Settings. After that, you can either search Nearby Share or else just go to Google. You'll have to scroll down, go to Devices and Sharing, and then you'll find an option called Nearby Share. So you can follow any of these three methods. And over here, you'll first see your email ID, then you'll see your device name. After that, you can see device visibility. So if you click on that, you can decide whether you want to show it to all your contacts, then some contacts, or keep it hidden. And then you can decide whether you want this to happen via data or Wi-Fi. So if you click on this, you have three options. So data, Wi-Fi, or without internet. So if you don't have a good internet connection, then the files can also be shared only using Bluetooth. And now, before switching this on, just make sure that your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and your location, all three are on. And now just click on this bar. So now I'll show you how it works. I've got another phone, and even on that I've switched on Nearby Sharing, and I'll show you how to share one file from one phone to another. So let's say I want to share a picture, so I'll just open my gallery. So I'll share the first picture, so I'll click on it. Then I'll click on Share. After that, you might see an option of Nearby Sharing, but if you don't see it, just click on More. And the first option will be Nearby Share. So now I've clicked on that, and you can see that they're looking for nearby devices, and the name of this phone is also given over here. So now it's going to be looking for other devices. So now you can see that they found my other device. So now if I want to share this photo, I'll just click on the device's name, and now it's connecting. So now on the other phone, I've just got to click on Accept. So I've clicked on it right now, and you can see that it was sent. So in literally 1 second, it sent the photo from this phone to another. And I'll show you how to send a PDF. So I'll just open Files. So let's say I want to share this PDF, which is called Dashboard. So I've selected it. Then I'll click on the share icon, which is over here. And you can see that Nearby Share has come over here. So I'll just click on that. So now it's found the other phone, and the same way, I'll just click on the phone's name. I'll click on Accept. And now you can see that it was sent to this phone. So this is one of the easiest ways to share files between Android phones. And I hope this video helped you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Goodbye.